back, beautiful family. Today, I want to share with you a very simple, easy sopa de fideo, the one I make here for my family, and I know that you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious Mexican sopa de fideo, these are the ingredients. I have the fideo, I have chicken broth, 2 cans of tomato sauce, sour cream, half an onion, 2 garlic cloves, 3 jalapenos, and of course vegetable oil. This is everything we need to enjoy a delicious fideo at home. So let's get started. I want to start here first crushing my 2 garlic cloves. I love crushing them first so that they are not running all over the place. But let me tell you, you're going to dice your garlic cloves really finely, and when you have them just like that, reserve them. And here in this plate, I am going to add the 2 cans of the tomato sauce. I want to put it in this cup so that it's easier for me to add it into the rest of the ingredients. Look at this. I'm not leaving anything behind. Look how smooth this is. It's nice and thick and smooth. This is exactly how you want your tomato sauce. And here, let me show you. I have the diced garlic, the 2 pieces of the garlic, 3 jalapenos. I only removed the little stems. I didn't slice the jalapenos, the chicken broth, and the tomato sauce. If you don't slice the jalapenos, your sopita de fideo is going to come out amazing, not spicy at all. And this is the brand and the type of fideo that I'm using. This fideo is extra thin. It's really thin. There's 3 types of fideos, and this is the extra thin fideo. I really love this fideo because it cooks very easily. It doesn't take too long to cook. And the best thing that it's really smooth, and when you fry it, it fries perfectly. It doesn't take too long, and it doesn't need too much oil to fry and get it nice to a brown color. Here on my pan, I'm going to add some vegetable oil. About 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You don't need more than that. You just need to coat the fideo really good so it starts browning. I'm going to go ahead and add all the fideo in here, and I'm going to start incorporating, making sure that the fideo gets coated with the vegetable oil. Like that, it's easier for the fideo to start browning. Once you start noticing that it's browning from the bottom, make sure that you move it from side to side, and you will notice that it starts changing color to a very light brown. And that's exactly how you want it. Do not step away because the fideo could burn very easily. And I'm going to continue and incorporate the diced garlic. Once you start smelling the aroma of the garlic, it is time to add the rest of the ingredients. I'm going to add the jalapenos and the onion. I'm just going to incorporate it really good, cover it with that fideo, and then I'm ready to add the chicken broth. If you don't have chicken broth, you could just add water and salt to taste. And here I'm adding the tomato sauce. I am going to add some more water into that cup to get all the tomato sauce out of that cup, but I want to incorporate it really good. If you want your fideo soup to be nice and loose with a lot of liquid, then I recommend for you to add about 8 cups of water or chicken broth. Once you've added the liquid, There's no need to cover it. This fideo is very thin. It's gonna cook really fast. Once it starts bubbling, just make sure that you mix it all the way from the bottom. You don't want your fideo to stick to the bottom of the pan and burn. So once it starts bubbling just a little bit, that's when you're gonna mix it all the way from the bottom. After this, just let it cook in medium high heat for about 10 minutes. And then when it starts bubbling from the center, move it one more time and then it's done. This soup really doesn't take too long, but it tastes amazing. Look at this. The jalapenos are not going to, give the spice to the soup because I didn't slice the jalapenos. They're completely closed. But let me tell you, when it starts bubbling from the center, that's when you are going to cover it and turn the stove off. If you got up to this part of the video and you love this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Only with your help, Cooking with Gloria will continue growing. Thank you so much for being part of my family. And here I am ready to cover it and turn off the stove. Once you turn off the stove, just let it sit for about 5 minutes and then you're ready to serve. I am ready to serve. Look how delicious this looks. When you let it rest, the sopita fideo really absorbs a lot of liquid, and you could see that it's now nice and chunky. And now I am ready to prepare my plate. Of course, being very generous and being very generous with my sour cream. You could eat it just like that, but I love it nice and creamy. So I added some sour cream, and now I'm just missing my jalapeno. I'm ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this creamy sopa de fideo. This is the part I love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Excuse me. Amazing. It is so creamy and delicious, but yet the soup de fideo, it's not spicy at all. That's why I added the jalapenos covered. I didn't cut them through the center. But this sopa de fideo came out creamy and delicious. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing recipe at home. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay enjoying this amazing sopa de fideo. See you soon. Bye-bye.